this video, we're going to learn about Teacher Tools, which is one of the most important features that allows you to stay connected to your students, whether you're teaching in school or at home. Once you've made and launched your lesson, you have access to several teaching tools to enhance the student experience while they are working through a lesson. Right now, you see the teacher screen, which is gathering student feedback as they complete the lesson, and this is what your students see as they are working. To find these tools, start by clicking the kebab in the upper right corner. The first tool is our timer, which is a helpful tool to help students gauge how much time they should be spending on a lesson and to keep them on pace. Choose from one of our pre-calculated times or put in a custom time for your lesson and hit start to let the timer run. As you can see, the timer will remain in this corner, continuing to run throughout the lesson. Now we have student navigation, which allows students to navigate the lesson freely. Let's take a look back at the student. Right now, they are on task 1 of 7, and they must complete the tasks in this order. By enabling student navigation, they now have the power to skip forward or go back when completing a lesson. This is a great way to ask students to go back and revise previous work or offer some second instruction around a topic. Keep students connected and engaged by allowing them to view each other's work throughout the lesson with our Student Share Screen tool. By enabling this, your students now have access to one another's answers. If you think they're feeling stuck, this may give them some inspiration and spark an idea. You can also always keep answers anonymous by hiding students' names. Not only can you share the student screen, but you can also share your own. Our Teacher Share Screen tool allows you to share what you're seeing with your students and help them along the way. The annotating features can be used to guide students in the right direction when working through a problem and address common mistakes or big ideas. As you can see, I'm using the highlighting feature to make the connection that both Rocco and Avery noted that mammals have fur. I'm using the laser pointer to refer back to an important part of the question, and I'm using the pen to recognize that Casey did a great job mentioning that they care for their babies. This is what it looks like on the student end, and as you can see, these notes instantly transfer to their screen to help draw attention, address misconceptions, and offer guidance along the way. In your teacher tools, you can also end a lesson at any point or just download results without ending the lesson. This allows you to keep your lesson live for as long as you want and still have your results saved in an Excel sheet. If you want to end a lesson and export results, just return to the creation screen and click End and Export in the upper right corner. We hope that these tools help you to guide your students and remain engaged and connected no matter where you're teaching from.